Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back. Today I have my Out with the Old Rolling Project 5 pan. I just wanted to do kind of an old school rolling 5 pan, and I wanted to do it exclusively with all of my really old products. I have a lot of old products, and sometimes I just ignore them. I shouldn't, but sometimes I do, because I had stuff that it takes a really long time to finish some of those things. And I just wanted to have a dedicated project where, if I don't update it a month because there really isn't enough progress to show you, I'm okay with that. But I really want to start moving some of my really old stuff out. And that's basically the gist of this project. And I notice that I have this hair. Can you see where my hair is finally starting to grow back? Yeah, there's a huge difference. That's why I have so many layers, because my hair is growing back. Can't wait for it to not do that anymore. All right, back to the project at hand. So I'm just working on 5 things at a time, obviously, since I'm rolling 5 pan. And yeah, some of these things are just, I can't even tell you how old they are. They're just insanely old. But we're going to get them used up one at a time. All right. Anything that I have a picture of, I'm going to show on the screen. And the first one is definitely one that I have a picture of. This is the purple, like dark purple gel eyeliner from the Profusion Eyes Trendsetter palette. And if you look at the picture on the screen of where it was last month, I have made some progress on it. Is it the most amazing progress? Probably not, but I feel like you can definitely see the difference in it, especially towards the middle here, the middle of the crescent. And I'm just going to continue to slowly work on this. I do think this is going to be done by the end of the year, though this is an ongoing project for me. It's one that I'm going to continue to roll new stuff in, and it's going to roll over into the new year. I mean, it's going to keep on rolling until I just don't feel like doing it anymore. But I do think it can be done by the end of the year. I've been working hard on it. I use it mainly as like a typical eyeliner, but I do sometimes smudge it on my outer V to deepen up some of the purple shades that I am working on that just quite aren't dark enough for my outer V. If I put this on as a base, it kind of just deepens everything. And like I said, I only smudge it in like my outer V area, and it's working. So I will get that done. And once that is done, I have one in black, I have one in navy, and I think I have one in brown. So, and they're in the big square pans. Eventually I'll get it all done. All right, let's move on to my franken. This is just, I don't even remember what is in here, but the pan is from an old e.l.f. blush, which is long gone. And then I made this franken quite some time ago. And if you look on the screen, if I could hold it up properly, I've definitely expanded that pan. I had a very small pan in this area, and it is looking very sizable now, and I'm very happy about that. It is a very neutral blush. It's almost too light to wear this time of year. I haven't decided if I'm going to refranken part of it just so I can continue to use it as I get a little bit darker in my summer shade. But I don't know, I might just keep it. I'm using it clearly. I have bigger pan on it, but I don't know. I'll have to figure out what I want to do with it. But if I can make it work, one less thing that I have to franken. All right, let's move on to the Sephora Gel Gloss. This is in the shade Perfect Nude. I had markings on it last month down here, and it doesn't settle enough now because what is left is stuck to the sides. And I don't even know if you're going to be able to see the windowing in this. You can kind of see it right in that area. There's not a lot left in here. When I pull it out, there's still some on the doe foot, though that's not technically a doe foot. I don't know what that is. And you can see a whole lot of daylight in there. I doubt you guys can see it, but this stopper is going to have to come out really, really soon. And this is definitely going to be an empty by the next update. Yeah, it's going to be. And that'll be nice to roll that out and be able to roll something else in. I have tons and tons of really old products that need to roll into this project. All right, next is going to be the Pacifica Natural Beauty Duo 2. It is an eyeshadow duo that I frankened into this old Marc Jacobs palette because this was empty, and it was like, because this is plastic and the pans were just really nice in here. It was just easy to franken into this, and I made myself another palette. I'm going to flash a picture of where this was last month on the screen because it is such a long palette. It doesn't show well. I might be able to like place it somewhere, just not do a side by side on this, but I am making some progress on this one. So this is what it is currently looking like. Did not use this first shade very much. I think maybe once, and it shows. The second shade I have used quite a bit, and it's almost to the point where it needs to be repressed or like just kind of like crumbled and used that way. Did not use this kind of green gray shade, I don't think at all, if I'm being honest. The pink I've used once or twice, and the purple I've definitely used, and I have expanded the pan on that one. So I'm making progress. My goal is to have this franken here done by the next update. Realistically, if I can have both of these done, that would be really nice. And then I just have these three to focus on. And I think if I really work on these, then I can probably make that happen. This is in my current makeup basket, so it's going to get some work on it this week. As a matter of fact, I think everything that I have here in front of me is in the makeup basket this week. All right, the very last thing is going to be the Avon Line and Color Lip Pencil in Double Barrel Berry. I do have this on my lips with some other things today. And if I marked it on a paper, I don't know what I do with it. I lose paper. I don't know what it is about paper. I just can't hold on to it. I laugh when I'm setting appointments at doctor's offices, dentist's office, whatever. Do you want a card so you remember? I'm going to lose it. I tell them every single time. I will lose it. If it doesn't go on my phone, it's gone. So, I don't know what happened to it. If I even did it. I feel like I did. I feel like I should have a notebook with that information, and I just don't know where that notebook is. I'm a mess. But I have used it quite a bit, and I know I sharpened both of the sides because they both needed to be sharpened. So I know the gap in between has gotten a little bit smaller. I think I'm probably just going to track based on how big this mark, or see where they come together, like how big this gap in between the two caps is. Ideally, I would like to, within the next update or two, have them touching, because that definitely means I'm making some progress, and I've sharpened at least once or twice. So I apologize for that not being like super accurate on, how much I've used it. But yeah, I can't be trusted with things, especially paper. Paper is like the bane of my existence. It's all over my house, and I'm constantly putting things in the shredder and paying my kids to shred other things. There's so much mail and everything else that comes in the house. It's just like paper chaos everywhere, and I hate it. I hate paper clutter. It's like the worst thing ever. But eventually I'm going to find it, because I am working on my house declutter, and I haven't decided if I'm going to put that in the Jessica Lee Unscripted channel, my life kind of journey, I guess you will, because my life is chaos. So if that's something you guys would be interested in seeing over there, let me know, because yeah, my life and my house are chaotic, and I need to fix all of that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Feeling really good about my progress on my products, because this is going to be done most likely next month, and possibly 2 of the Franken shades in here will be done. And then I will roll in 1 product, because until this whole palette is done, that product is not done. All right, that is everything for this update. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.